Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to calculate total hatch area in AutoCAD. Quick tutorial. So let's get started. First, select all the hatches that you want to measure. Over here, select one of the hatches first. Then, right-click and choose Select Similar from the context menu. After that, AutoCAD will automatically select all hatches with similar properties. Over here, once all the required hatches are selected, right-click again. Then select Properties to open the Properties panel. After that, go through the Properties panel and scroll through the list. Over here, locate the Cumulative Area property. Then look at the numerical value displayed next to it. After that, this value represents the total area of all the selected hatches. Over here, use this value to get the total hatch area in your drawing. Then, continue working with your measurements more efficiently. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.